Hello and welcome to Pneumatican, a more meaningful maths. Here we're going to solve this relatively simple logarithmic question using Pneumatican. First we need to translate this into Pneumatican. Now I'm not going to explain all of how logarithms work in Pneumatican, but if you follow along, it should be pretty straightforward. So the first thing to do is the translation. So when we write this in Pneumatican, we use the L symbol. So log 2 of 81 times log 3 of 128. Now, to solve this, what we want to do is to try to simplify these larger numbers. And we can see we've got a base 2 and a base 3. So I think aiming for numbers with a 2 and a 3 in would make sense. And clearly 81 is 9 squared. So let's write that as log 2 of 9 squared times, and 128 is in the 2 squared table, as it were, because it goes 8 16 32 64 128. So that would be 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be log 3 of 2 to the 7. Now, when the top number on this log notation, it has a power. So in the first one, 9 to the power 2, we can move the power to in front of the logarithm. So you get 2 times log 2 of 9 times 7 log 3 of 2. Okay, looking at the first one, that is 2 times log 3 squared, log 2 of 3 squared times 7 log 3 of 2. So we could rearrange that as 2 times, bring the 3 squared, bring the 2 out in front, 2 times 2 times 7, and then we have times log 2 of 3 times log 3 of 2. Now, these are the reciprocal of each other. And when you multiply something by its reciprocal, you end up with 1. So you can, in the products, you've got a string of products here, we can cancel out these two because 1 times the other equals 1. Therefore, in cancelling, we're left with 1. So it's 1 times 2 times 2 times 7. And of course, we don't need to write the 1. So that equals 2 times 2 is 4 times 7 is 28. And that's the answer to the problem.